Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. With these motivational lines, I would like to welcome you all back. So, my dear students, I hope you all are perfectly fine and also preparing your lessons. Now, today we are going to start chapter 7. The chapter name is Adjectives, Degrees of Comparison. Children, we have already learned what adjectives are in previous chapter. Can you tell me what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. Now look at these sentences. See the first one. This is a big ball. In this sentence, ball is a noun and describing the ball noun is the word big. So big is an adjective. Now look at the second sentence. The red ball is bigger than the orange ball. Now this word bigger is also describing this red ball. So bigger is also an adjective. But over here, this adjective bigger shows comparison. So it shows a comparison between these two balls. So there is comparison between two balls, whereas in first case or in first sentence there is no comparison. Why there is no comparison? Because there is only one ball. So bigger is just a different form of the adjective big, which is used for comparing two balls. Now look at the third sentence. Here we have more than two balls. Then we say that the red ball is the biggest among all the balls. So biggest is also an adjective. It is telling us about the size of the red ball. So biggest is an adjective, but if once again it shows the comparison among so many balls. So it shows the comparison among more than two balls. So biggest is a different form of the adjective big. So big, bigger, biggest. These are the different form of the same adjective big, and big is used to show no comparison when there is just one ball. Bigger is used to show comparison when there are two balls. Biggest is used to show comparison when there are more than two balls. So children, the three different forms of adjective are called the degrees of comparison. Adjectives have three different forms to show degrees of comparison. It is used when we compare one person or thing with the other. As I have told you that there are three degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now, this is a big ball. So big is the primary or simple form of the adjective, and it is called the positive degree of adjective. So what are positive degree of adjective? The positive degree of comparison is used to state the quality of a person or a thing without comparing it with other persons or things. The form of the adjectives is not changed. Examples: long, quiet, expensive, young. So the adjectives which we have phenomenally using till now, like big, small, thin, fat, clever, beautiful, interesting, long, quiet, expensive, young. All these are the positive degree of adjectives. But when I say that the red ball is bigger than the orange ball, then bigger is used for comparing two balls. So there is some comparison involved, and bigger is called the comparative degree of adjective. It is used to compare between two persons or things. So children, the comparative degree of comparison is used when two persons or things are being compared. It expresses that a quality is present to a greater or lesser degree in one of the two persons or things being compared. So we use the comparative degree for comparing between two persons or things. Remember, we always compare the same characteristics or the same attribute for two persons or things. Over here, we are comparing size of the red ball to the size of the orange ball. We cannot compare the size of one ball to the color of another ball. We always compare things on the same attributes. Now, when I say that the red ball is the biggest among all the balls, so biggest is another form of the adjective big. It is called the superlative degree of the adjectives. It compares three or more persons or things. So we can say that the superlative degree of comparison is used in comparing three or more persons or things. It expresses that a quality is possessed to the greatest or least degree by one of the persons or things included in the comparison. So over here, when we are comparing more than two balls, we use the superlative degree of the adjective biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. Big is the positive degree used when there is no comparison. Bigger is the comparative degree used for comparing two, and biggest is the superlative degree used for comparing more than two. Comparative degree of an adjective is followed by than. So as a rule, comparative degree of any adjective will always be followed by than. For example, tea is hotter than milk. So I am comparing two things, tea and milk. So comparison is between two things. So tea is hotter than milk. So hotter is the comparative degree of adjective and it is followed by than. I never say tea is hotter milk. It is always tea is hotter than milk. Just like I said the red ball is bigger than the orange ball. So than always followed comparative degree of adjective. Superlative degree of an adjective is preceded by the. So preceded by means the always come before the superlative degree of the adjective. For example, he is the best boy in the class. So best is the superlative degree of the adjective. As we all know that good is positive degree, better is the comparative degree and best is the superlative degree. So he is the best boy in the class. So here best is the superlative degree and the comes before best. So best is preceded by the. This is always done while using the superlative degree of an adjective. Let's see the second one. This is the sweetest mango. So once again, sweetest is the superlative degree of the adjective and it is preceded by the. Now we will see how can we form the comparative and superlative degree of the adjectives from the positive degree. So most of the adjectives form their comparative or superlative degrees by adding an ER and EST to the positive form. For example, bright. Bright is the simple form, so it is the positive degree. It becomes comparative degree or it forms the comparative degree by adding ER at the end. Brighter, and it forms the superlative degree by adding EST at the end. So brightest. So bright, brighter, brightest. Similarly, cold becomes comparative degree by adding ER and superlative degree by adding EST. So it will become cold, colder, coldest. See the third one, high. High becomes the comparative degree by adding ER and superlative degree by adding EST. So high, higher, highest. Now if an adjective ends in E, then we add only R to form its comparative degree form and only ST to form its superlative form. See the first example, brave. Here this adjective ends in E. So we will just add R to form the comparative degree. So it will become braver. And we will just add ST to form the superlative degree. So it will become bravest. Remember, we will not add ER or EST because there is already E at the end of the brave. This holds for the adjectives which ends in E. So large, larger, largest, we added only R and ST to form its comparative and superlative form. Late, later, latest. Later is the comparative degree and latest is the superlative degree. Now, when a word ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, so words like big, which ends with a consonant G, and there is a vowel that is I before it, then the final consonant is doubled before adding ER or EST. So, children, in this case, when a word ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, the final consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. So, in the given example, big, final consonant is G. So, here G is doubled. So, instead of 1G, we have 2G and we added an ER and EST after that. So, big becomes bigger and biggest. Bigger is the comparative form and biggest is the superlative form. Now, see the next one, hot. It ends with a consonant T and there is a vowel before it. So, in this case also, we are going to double the final consonant that is T. So, now we have 2T and then we will add ER and EST after that to form comparative and superlative degree. So, it will become hot, hotter, hottest. Similarly, for thin, it ends with a consonant N preceded by a vowel I. So, we will double the final consonant that is N and after that we will add ER and EST. So, thin, thinner, thinnest. Now for adjectives which ends in Y. So, Y changes in I and then we add ER and EST. Let's see the example. Busy becomes busier. So, here we remove Y and in place of Y we add I and then ER to form comparative degree. So, it will become busier. Similarly, for the superlative form, the Y changes to I and then we added EST. So, it became busiest. See the next one. Easy becomes easier and easiest. Happy becomes happier and happiest. Now, there are some exceptions to the degree of adjectives. Some adjectives form their comparative and superlative form in a totally different manner. So, good becomes better in the comparative form and best in the superlative form. So, good, better, best. So, for 2 we use better and for more than 2 we use best. Similarly, bad becomes worse in the comparative form and worst in the superlative form. So, bad, worse, worst. See the third one, much becomes more and most in comparative and superlative form. Now, there are some adjectives which do not change their form in the comparative and superlative degree. They just add a more or most before them. So, careful becomes more careful and most careful. Beautiful becomes more beautiful and most beautiful. Important becomes more important in the comparative form and most important in the superlative form. Now students, it's time for one exercise related to this chapter. Let's see. Fill in the blanks with an adjective of the appropriate degree of comparison. First one. Today the weather is dash than yesterday. In bracket warm is given. So firstly, what are we comparing? We are comparing the weather of today to the weather of yesterday. So here we are comparing two things. When we compare two things, then it is a comparative degree. So warm will become warmer. We'll just added ER. So answer will be warmer. Let's see the second one. My chocolate box is dash than his. So here, which correct form of adjective we are going to fill in the given blank? First of all, we'll see what are we comparing here. We are comparing my chocolate box with his chocolate box. So we are comparing two things. So I need to use the comparative degree. And how do we form comparative degree from large? It ends with an E. So we need to add R. So it will become larger. So my chocolate box is larger than his. Let's see the third one. My mother is a dash woman. We need to fill in the blank using the correct form of busy. So what are we comparing? My mother is a woman. We are not making any comparison. We are talking about just one person. So there is no comparison. So we will use the positive degree. That is the simplest form, busy. So my mother is a busy woman. See the fourth one. Today is the dash day of the season. In bracket hot is given. So in this question we are comparing more than 2 days. So we are going to add superlative degree of hot. Hot ends with consonant T preceded by a vowel O. So we will double the final consonant and add EST to form superlative degree. So answer will be hottest. Let's see the fifth one. The weather today is dash than that of yesterday. In bracket bad is given. So here we have to use correct form of bad. We are comparing the weather of today to the weather of yesterday. So when we are comparing two things, it means what we are going to use? Comparative degree. And what is the comparative degree of bad? The comparative degree of bad is worse. So answer will be worse. Let's see the sixth one. The rose is the dash flower. In bracket beautiful is given. Here we are comparing rose to all the other flowers. Because in question it is written the rose is the dash flower. Before dash the is written. The means I am using superlative degree. And superlative degree of beautiful is most beautiful. So answer will be most beautiful. Here answers are written. First one warmer, second larger, third busy, fourth hottest, fifth worse, sixth most beautiful. So here comes an end to this chapter. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.